What's going on, guys? Aldrin Estacio here with FlytPath.com, and today's video is more of a quick tip Tuesday type of video. When I do product reviews and tutorials, those normally will take a lot longer to shoot, storyboard, edit, and produce, and sometimes those videos won't come out in a timely manner, but I would like to provide you guys a lot more content, and I have a lot of other tips and things that I want to share with you guys. Let me know if you guys enjoy it. I want to just provide you guys some tips, maybe weekly or every other week or so, some shorter videos, as well as I've been working with some great companies, hopefully able to provide you guys some more products and some more giveaways. As I'm able to work with them, I'm able to do some great reviews that help you guys out, as well as these companies out, but at the same time, I'm always looking towards helping my audience too. So whenever I do these product reviews, I normally will try to acquire another set of whatever I'm reviewing to give away to you guys. I hope you guys enjoy the tip. Stay tuned, and also later in the video, I'll announce the winner of the Lykus bag. So today's tip is more about doing a little bit of research before you go out and fly at a specific location. And this is a really quick one you could do. You could do this on your laptop, or you could do this on your phone before you go to a location where you know you're gonna be flying at. And that's really just Googling the area or location that you're gonna be going to. So I'm in San Diego. I like going to the beaches. I like going to the cliffs, Sunset Cliffs, and places like that. And the great thing about that is, yes, you're at the beach. You know that you're gonna have waves and things, but you don't really know exactly how the cliffs are gonna look from above, how the rock formations are. Maybe there's some interesting patterns in the ground. Maybe there's some interesting cliffs that overlook buildings, or some buildings that are right at the edge and things like that. I know for a lot of my friends that live up in Laguna, you guys have tons of homes just right on the edge. And those provide just an amazing view, especially if you're on a drone and you're able to look straight down on those things. So in this video, I'm just gonna quickly show you an example of what I do when I'm on my laptop before I go to a location, just to scout out a couple areas using things like Google Maps. So before I go flying, or if I know I'm gonna go to a location, whether I'm gonna shoot at a place or if I'm going to a client site, what I'll normally do is either on my phone or my laptop is pull up the area. So for instance, just for an example here, I'm in San Diego, and popular places to fly or shoot in San Diego, of course, is at the beach. If you know you want to go to some of these areas and you're not exactly sure what you want to shoot or where you should shoot, the one thing I like to do is click on satellite. It changes it from line drawing style to an actual satellite photo image. I would look for patterns of things in the rocks, things in the ocean, even surrounding areas that might be really interesting to fly around. But it gives you an idea of the terrain, and what you can do from here is then map out a specific street name that you want to go. So for instance, if you like these tide pools right here near Ocean Beach, all you have to do is map out these addresses here. Then you can go to these locations, and you'll know that you'll get something in these areas that have a lot more interesting scenery than it is if you're just at the beach taking a standard beach shot. You can now look at this and determine if you want to fly at the cliffs. If you see these tide pools right in this area here, this might be a really cool shot for a long exposure photo. As you guys might have seen in some of my previous videos, the cave over here in Sunset Cliffs is a very popular place to fly. I've gotten a lot of photos in this area, as well as if you've seen some of my other videos that I shot this with some lights and lit this cave up with some drone lights from LoonCube. I'll make sure I leave that link above as well if you wanted to see that. But this just gives you a really good idea of the location. And then what you can do is plan out your flights around something like this. This is a very popular one that I've taken a bunch of times, and this is in Carlsbad, California. Has a nice train that goes over this little channel right here, which is over in South Ponto. So I'll show you a couple of images of the ones that I shot there as well, just for reference. So there it is, guys, just a quick tip Tuesday. Hope you guys enjoy something like this. I'd love to give you guys more of these little short videos on tips, things that I've learned over the years, and things that'll really help you guys when you go out into the field. Let me know in the comments down below if you enjoy it, and if you do, then for sure I'll be trying to produce some of these quicker videos in between my reviews and my tutorial videos. Like I said before, I've been actually really fortunate to work with some great companies, and a lot of it of course is due to you guys. So the more you guys are supporting me, I'm supporting you, and the companies are supporting us. That way I can give back to you guys, and I want to make sure I'm doing, you know, the products justice by doing proper reviews. Very thankful to be working with a lot of great people and a lot of great companies. Thank you again to David, 165 unique comments, and you are the random winner. So I will hopefully be back again next week with more tips and maybe more giveaways. Let me know if you guys enjoy these quicker videos in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good jazz. I'll see you in the next video. This is Aldrin Stasio with FlytPath.com. Take care.